Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Begin with opening settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on sound and vibration. Then scroll down again and click on vibration and haptics. Now you can click on this sweater next to use vibration and haptics to enable or disable them. If you decide to enable them, over here you can adjust the intensity of vibrations for incoming calls by swiping left or right on this slider. You can also turn on or off vibrate first, then ring gradually option by clicking on this sweater next to it. When you're ready, scroll all the way down and adjust intensity of haptic feedback for your notifications, alarm, touch feedback and media vibrations by swiping left or right on all of those sliders. Now click on the back button. From here you need to scroll all the way down and click on those two sweaters next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to switch on or off those two options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!